Oh, can I see you later?
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a nighttime slash after dark cleaning because it's very needed here at this house. And I don't know, but it's always messy, and I know I say it a lot because it's true. There's always so much that needs to be cleaned here, so I'm finally getting this done before I go to bed. It's actually pretty late right now. It's like 10:30ish, so I'm already really tired from the day, so I'm just gonna do like a quick pickup. I'm not gonna do the floors because I usually like to vacuum the floors. I don't like to sweep them, and it's too late to make noise right now. We live in a townhome and we don't want to like make noise for the neighbors, so I'm just gonna pick up some things and get some things tidied up for tomorrow and just do a little bit before I go to bed. So our living room right now looks way different than it usually does, and it's because of, you know, quarantine. So we're working from home right now, my husband and I, and so we are kind of set up all throughout the house, making things work. So he's here in the living room, I'm upstairs, and that just works better for our internet connection. I feel like our internet has just been crazy right now because a lot of people are using it in our neighborhood, and we're just kind of trying to accommodate with what we have. And I was putting away my spring decor, and I found this little doll that I have, and it was missing an eyeball, and I had to show you guys. I have no idea what happened to it. My husband doesn't like these dolls. He says they're like voodoo dolls, which I don't know what he's talking about. So I'm not saying it was him, but you know, you just never know. So our living room right now just looks way different than it usually does. We usually have the sofa, the larger sofa, on the middle of the wall, and then the trees on the corners. So it's just kind of set up really strange right now because we have my husband's desk here for work. But once everything goes back to normal and we go back to working in the office, we're gonna put this living room back to how it's supposed to be. I also have a little painting back there on the left corner, if you can see it. I got this like a few days ago, and I'm trying to figure out where to place it. So if you've seen my videos and kind of have an idea what my house looks like, I know I haven't showed you everything, but if you've seen like some areas of the house that you think it would look good, let me know, because I'm still trying to figure out where I'm going to put this. But I think it's so pretty, and I got it from Target. So I need to very soon not get rid of, but put away the fluffier gray pillows because they're more winter-ish pillows, and then just anything that's more winter related, and bring out the more summery stuff because the warm weather is coming, and I'm really looking forward for Home Goods to open up again, hopefully soon, so that I can get some summery pillows and just decorations. So hopefully that happens soon, but I do need to clear out this area from any winter things, and I'm also putting away these little decorations that I'm going to be using in a different part of the house. So I actually would love to clean this a lot better, but for now, this is as good as it's gonna get because we are working on some home remodeling, and that's why we have this stuff here. I'll give you a little tiny sneak peek because it's so exciting. I can't wait for you guys to see it, and I'm going to show you how I do everything, so you'll get to come with me on the DIY, and I feel like it was a very DIY project. But yeah, right now this is as good as it's gonna get. If you guys have watched my other videos, I've told you that I'm wanting, sorry, that's Macho drinking water. He's always drinking water when I'm filming, I swear. I told you that I want to change out these blinds for some white ones because these are yellow. But yes, so now I'm just gonna do the kitchen a little bit, and then we'll call it a night. Okay, so this is what I was telling you guys about, that we are currently working on our home renovations. We are finally starting, and we're doing things on a budget because we don't want to spend like too much money, but this table here is filled with tools and stuff. I'm gonna give you a little tiny sneak peek. Did you guys see that? Of what we're doing on the wall, but a video is coming up next week, hopefully, of how I do my wall. It's super cute. It's looking really good, and it was also pretty affordable to do, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And now time for the kitchen, and this is seriously a disaster Oh my goodness, I have like a ton of plants. We don't really have like very many places to put them at right now because we're working on this spot of the kitchen with the remodeling. The living room is being occupied, so I'm trying to make things work and getting things organized, but this kitchen really needs to be clean right now. So we're gonna work on this before we go to bed, and hopefully you can get some motivation.
Turn everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah. You took away my loneliness.
You guys, I felt like I was on a roll here putting away all of my dishes from the dishwasher, and I was literally almost finished putting them away, and then I saw this cup and I was like, wait a second, why is this dirty? And I'm like, no, I put away dirty dishes, and I was so mad. You can't tell in the video, but it stinks. Like, it was so sad that I had to go back and just take everything out. I had to remember like all the dirty dishes that I put away, and I just put them back in the dishwasher to get them clean. But I don't know, do you guys ever do that? I know they sell these like little magnet things that you can put outside of the dishwasher, and then you just flip them over and it says like dirty or clean. I should probably get one of these. This doesn't happen very often though, but it was like a really late night and I was like tired, but I had to just pick up some things, and I just wanted to film this video too, you know, for you guys. So I don't know, I was kind of out of it. It happens to the best of us. So I just loaded that up again, and then I'm just putting away some things from that dish rack over there because I'm gonna be filling up this whole dishwasher and then hand washing some other stuff.
I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
So I have been using this Method dish soap, and I actually initially got it because I thought the bottle was really cute, and I was looking for some type of bottle where I could put my dish soap in, and not like a clear one because the dish soap I'm using right now, it's an antibacterial one, so it's like just pretty much whatever color I could find that was antibacterial. I mean, I'm not gonna get picky at this point, but you know, in a clear bottle, maybe it wasn't like the color that I wanted. And so I found this one that was white, and I just thought it was so cute. So I got it for that. And then I came to find that the stuff inside of it, the dish soap, was actually really good too, and it smelled really good. So I am really happy with this. I love it. I just think it looks so pretty on the kitchen. And then once I empty it out, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up with some antibacterial soap again and just keep using this packaging because it's so pretty. I got mine from Target. You can get them from Grove Collaborative as well. I get a lot of my products from there. They have really good deals too, so I'll link them below, but this one is from Method, and I will link the name of it below as well.
Hit you with the text on Xoxo. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down.
Okay, you guys, so I actually filmed an outro, but the dishwasher was running and it was just crazy loud, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna do a voiceover outro. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some motivation to do your nighttime cleaning before you go to bed. I was super tired, but I was able to just pull some energy to get these last little things done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I have lots of stuff coming, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.